We're just driving through Borrowdale Valley. That's Lladorre Falls Hotel. It's stunning. And we're heading towards Onister Pass. And we're going to walk around Buttermere today. Views in Borrowdale are stunning. And this is the Borrowdale Hotel. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you want to stay somewhere
Thank God for that.
in Borrowdale, that's the place. We are now on the Onister Pass, which is one of the famous roads in the Lake District, and I'll keep videoing because it is amazing. They're very narrow though. Still on Onister Pass. This is Onister Slate Mine. Wonderful place, and you can go in and have a coffee. You can actually go in Fleetwith Pike, but this is the steepest part of Onister Pass. It's amazing. To say this was a mountain, it's just absolutely fabulous, but the gradient is 25%. Passing points for cars, but the views are absolutely amazing. Stop the car just to come out and have a look, just to show you what it's like down here. It's absolutely amazing. Absolutely fantastic down here. Look at that. Wonderful. And if I just turn this way and look up there, that's Fleetwith Pike. We've climbed that, and we've actually been inside it, because that's what you can do. Amazing. So
Look at these two here.
oh, look at this. Look at this. Little Erdies. Onister Pass is full of Erdies. There we go. That mountain in front there is Red Pike, and well, behind it is Red Pike, isn't it?
It's a right.
Yeah. So
You can see Redstone.
oh, that's right. Tomorrow we will be up there. So just in front is
You can't see Red Pike.
Istyle and Crag, and we will be